Hello, my name is Michael Detoni, and I'm here to talk about a new Luxury&LIME product that I consider quite interesting, Glimmerputz. Glimmerputz is a careful selection of marble powders and special silver glitters for matte satin finishes with ancient stone marmorino effects. Its unique texture makes it suitable for interior decoration with both modern and classic styles. For a correct application of Glimmerputz, we recommend priming the surface with a granular primer. This will allow the product to spread out more evenly. So let's begin by applying Ancorante Berico. This anchor primer by BeriCalce should be mixed with 25% water and applied in one coat using a roller. When the wall is dry, we can proceed by applying Glimmerputz. The product comes in powder form and should be mixed with 43% water. The application process is quite simple. It involves an application phase, 2 modeling phases, and a finishing phase. Apply using a normal steel trowel. At this stage, all you have to do is spread the product evenly. Special care should be taken to avoid using too much pressure. That could damage the glitters and spoil the final result. For better results, keep the spatula at a low angle against the surface. When the product is about 20% dry, or after about 5 minutes, we can proceed with the first modeling phase. This must be carried out using a clean spatula and without adding any more of the product. After this step, if necessary, we can add small amounts of Glimmerputz to make any touch-ups. Avoid using too much pressure. When the product is halfway dry, or after about 25 or 30 minutes, we can proceed with the smoothing and modeling. At this stage, we're going to work on the contrast between smooth parts and rough parts, highlighting them according to our tastes. Once dry, the glitters tend to surface. When the product is almost completely dry, we can then move on to the finishing phase, which consists in smoothing the surface using a trowel, like I'm doing now. After the work has been completed, we will see the glitters shining with their characteristic metallic luster. When the wall is completely dry, after more than 24 hours, we can apply BeriCalce Natural Beeswax, our surface protection product made with natural beeswax. We can finish the job by going over the surface with a cotton or woolen cloth. Our wall is now ready. Glimmerputz will enhance your style thanks to its irresistible appeal and a look that catches the eye. Glimmerputz is pure temptation.